Hello world. Oh my god, it looks like I have a freaking rat tail. Putting that back. I just got out of work. It's Wednesday at 5 p.m. Shout out to my boss that let me leave an hour early. I was actually gonna leave earlier than that, but I was finishing up the work I needed to get done before. Today was very stressful, no lunch break for me, but I am on the way. I'm kind of getting a little bit close to my flight, but I should be getting to the parking lot 2 hours before my flight. It'll be a little bit of a rush because I'm at the faraway lot because it's cheaper because I have to pay for parking all by myself. I'm the only one in the Forest van that lives in California. Obviously I'm in traffic. I freaking live in LA. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm currently finishing up this episode of Rave Culture Podcast. It's by Emma Capotis. She is an influencer on YouTube. I'm sure if you're watching this, you probably know who she is, and it's with Vibe with Aid, and I'm super excited. I actually kind of feel creepy. I love to support both of them. You should listen to that podcast. I listen to it every Wednesday. It like fills my compulsion to be talking and thinking and listening to things about festivals. Go check that out.
You to be in a picture too.
It's a champion. Only if it's out.
Smart for the camera.
I always do the picture. Most of the time I'm like, taking this picture. I thought about you. I was like, I want her to be in the picture too.
I appreciate it. I'm filming you right now. You're gonna be the star. Our flight's delayed, and these are my new friends. Hello. Entertaining me. Hello. Reading a book, story time. Dashing and enigmatic rebel who for 20 years was the king of Malibu surf. I've already lost all cares. This is not Besley, and this is not Miss Vanjie.
Definitely not Miss Vanjie. I thought this would be like a Taco Bell. We both did. Yeah, I thought the news have a bench.
It's a Toyota.
Well, I thought it'd have like a bench in the back.
Oh, I feel
once we get everything out of it at Flores, crack it out.
Finagle this trunk. We heard that the security is pretty brutal, so we don't want to pack it to the top. Literally, we're not going to have room for a Walmart trip, so I'm concerned about that, but we'll deal with that later.
Why me?
Why?
Like, seriously, watch me try and close
this easy up and the couch are literally ruining our lives. The fucking struggle. Where are we gonna put this?
Not in our car.
Who's going on the roof?
Don't get my shirt. I swear I have different clothes.
Now we have to figure out how we got everything. How we're gonna get everything from Walmart in the car. And all the people in the car. Eco doesn't get changed.
I swear.
This is the only shirt he owns.
Just wait. Fuck off. Ash will boof it. Right? Ash got it. Ash is gonna boof this bottle. Don't worry about it. She's sitting on a secret. So
45 minutes away, we're almost there. A 4-hour trip turned into 7. It's 2 p.m. We're supposed to be there at 5 a.m., but we won't talk about that.
yeah, it's literally taken us twice the time, y'all.
Yeah, I don't know if I ever updated them that my flight got delayed like literally 7 times, but I hung out with those people that I met at the airport, and they were freaking on one, so they entertained me. Thank you, shout out.
How did it literally take us 7 hours? We didn't even...
Cannot compute.
Can't compute. I don't know. I quit.
Yes.
Oh no!
You can't leave here with that. You have to drink all that right now.
Finally, a
Chug
voice
it.
of
Don't
reason.
let him
Chug
drink
it.
Chug it.
Chug.
Chug
Skull.
it.
Skull.
Why can't we drink on the... Why can't we
Dude, this is the 30 minutes where the cops are everywhere.
Open container.
They want to get arrested.
Right? Come on now.
Where do I go?
And he's just waving in front of the fucking front.
Eco.
We're here. Let me in. Dumb and Dumber trying to set up his fucking tent.
Honestly, I feel like it's not even that necessary.
With height.
We were just filming a get ready with me, and all the boys were causing a ruckus, so like kind of a fail. And Sean, I was telling him to leave because they were talking all in the video, so I couldn't end it, and he just closed my toe in the door right as we were leaving. So we're not leaving. Is my toe? is done for. Last time we were together 2 weeks ago, my toenail fell off and now you had to do this.
How is that my fault? Neither was my fault. You told me to shut the door.
I was like, get out, get out. I didn't know you were gonna slam it on my toe.
How did I know your foot was outside the door?
How did I know you were about to slam it after I'd been telling you to leave for fucking 10 minutes?
Fault on this one.
I want to kill you. I'm not taking full blame. I know. I'm pissed. No, don't touch it. Please be gentle.
Love it.
Oh, that felt so good. You know MGK is a foot fetish too.
Pat's MGK.
Holy shit. It's going down. Pat dyed his hair blonde for me because he knows I love MGK.
That's honestly true.
Oh my god, that actually felt really nice, I'm not gonna lie.
Do it
it's
again.
the second time you licked my toe.
Do it again.
Did you notice that I have
not
no
the last.
toenail there, kind of? Because it fell off in the vlog. Pat, please. Suck the toe. Oh, I just lost it.
You got her going.
Oh!
Ow! You're gonna break the other toe. This vlog is gonna be so good. That's not a porno vlog. That's going in the vlog.
That's clickbait.
What's the clickbait? He
Kid
sucked my
sucks
toe?
dirty toe.
Boy sucks.
Boy sucks forest toe.
Fuck, I wish you were MGK so bad.
He is. He's MKJJ.
What, Sean?
Exactly.
Oh no. Poop shoes. Day one and I already have poop shoes like Pat. I'm pissed. We're in! Finally! We avoided the fucking thunderstorm. Jesus Christ. Kiss. We just left Chromatic. He threw down, obviously. It was actually a fucking really good set. And now we're entering the forest for the first time. Carl! Okay, fuck, marry, kill. Vans, Converse, Doc Martens.
I would kill Converse, marry Doc Martens.
Can you talk louder?
Yeah, I'd kill Converse.
Kill Converse? Why?
I don't know, I never worn out.
Oh, that's a shame. So you kill Converse, marry Vans, and fuck Doc Martens?
No, marry Doc Martens and fuck Vans.
For what reason? They're uncomfortable.
They're long.
Their support? Fair enough.
You throw away after.
That's true.
Fucked up.
That's so true. Good point. Posted for the last set. This is amazing. Right, Eco? We're all so tired of the last set. We're posted.
Oh yes, baby. You can see the Beagle's here to help you.
Faster, Brianna. Quick. Go quicker. Giddy up.
Nay, bitch. Oh my god.
Get up, Brianna. Make
No.
a horse sound. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hey! Swipe up!
I don't even know where to start. I feel like I'm a mess. Last night we went to the bingo thing.
Bingo's lit.
The Brainery, which we've always wanted to go to and never made our way to, and now I have so much regret because it was so fun and so weird.
They had a twerking giraffe. It's iconic. It's like shuffling.
He was like incorporating all the numbers. He was calling into a story, and sometimes it was like hard to even figure out that he was calling a number because he incorporated it so well.
I was like, fuck, he said I-35. Put it together. Plus we're doing like 4 bingo cards at a time.
Oh yeah, we were not playing any games.
We're not fucking around.
And then we left to watch the RVs. My second time for the RVs for the night. Went back, went to RVs again, so my third time.
I know we kept like crossing over people with the group. We would go and then come back to get more White Claws and they'd be leaving. We get distracted, leave, they'd be coming back. It's rough.
It was a mess, and now obviously no one's prepared, so we have to go do a Walmart and like liquor store run for everyone in our group. So we're leaving. Getting some fresh air, but whenever we leave Forest to go like run an errand, I feel like everyone is staring at me
And it's
in
nice.
the worst way.
I can send my Snapchats through when I get service.
Oh, I feel like we've had pretty good service this year though.
I never have service ever at Forest. This is the only breath of fresh air I get is leaving to get more liquor.
What carrier do you have?
Sprint. So like I have good service everywhere but Forest. It's like I might as well just have my phone in airplane mode the whole time.
It's probably for the best though.
Yeah.
Live in the moment.
Bit nice, be present. I'll find a better connection in the forest.
Taco Bell run. Thank you, God.
Need it.
And we got to go number 2 in a real bathroom. The goal is to never use the porta potty, and I've been successful so far. I just pee on the ground.
It was great.
Yum. So I got a coffee yesterday, and like I saw that it was like melted and kind of wanted to take a sip, but I decided against it for like 1 second. And then later on I found out that Eco had peed in it and left it in the car like a disgusting, vile human being. He left it in there and he just spilled it all over the door and the inside of the car. What do you have to say for yourself?
No pictures.
This is how you clean yourself at Forest when you don't want to wait in the shower lines. Baby wipe showers. I've said this in so many videos, and like I don't know why I think being gross is a personality trait, but I've only ever baby wipe showered at Forest. At Coachella, I don't even think I baby wipe showered, but I don't think I can put that in as a porno vlog. Nobody needs to know that.
Top secret. The license plate there says Miss Jewel. Miss Jewel, honey. J-U-U-L, honey. Oh my god, it's so zoomed in. How do you zoom out?
That's going in for sure.
Absolutely not.
You have no control.
How do I zoom out?
I put in that clip of you at the end of the Skin on the Drum video. Like, I need to wipe my ass.
Yeah, I need to wash my ass.
And then the other one of you being like, I haven't changed my underwear, and I go, what day is it? You go, Saturday?
I know, people are gonna think I'm some disgusting bum. It's 2 videos back to back. People are like, this is nasty.
And now you're pissed. Nasty bitch.
Okay, yeah, but no one needs to know. And also, everyone else was just as gross as I was.
I just asked you to take a baby white shower and you refused. That's status.
Literally, this morning I was, I like sneezed.
Why is that the angle you're going for?
You're not using this, I'm just holding the camera.
Okay.
This morning, I was like eating a bunch of chips, and I sneezed, and like Cool Ranch Doritos got all over my shirt, and I was like drooling and shit. It's right here. Sick. Oh wait, maybe no, it's not. It's a different stain.
What's that one?
This is the Cool Ranch Doritos stain.
Do a stain tour.
This is the toothpaste stain. And these are the stains on my feet from the dirty ass forest grounds and these Crocs.
So some of you may know, my toenail fell off in Denver because of
Iconic.
some lingering problems from Coachella. And then yesterday, as you might have seen, I think I got a clip of Sean slamming my toe in the door, so I have not been able to wear a shoe on this foot because I'm in pain. So this foot I wore a shoe all day, and this foot I went barefoot. So it's like night and day.
But you were tore up from the floor up.
This is what we call poop shoes. We're giving them the real shit.
Will you baby wipe my feet for me?
Absolutely not.
Okay. Well, that's the end of this video then.
Indeed it will.
Get here. Turn on.
Flavor Flav, bro. Flavor of love.
Two things are out of the cat.
I want the vlog to know how ratchet it gets at festivals. I lost my toothbrush, so I have to use Ecos.
What does it look like?
I don't know, it's honestly like plastic.
Why is it like
Really
that?
weird.
It literally looks like a tiny hairbrush.
Disgusting. Holy shit. Matt's up, you gotta see that. Ferris wheel.
First wheel.
Oh wow. Whoa. So sick.
Let's get it, Pat. Let's go. Dude.
So quiet.
I'm pulling for you.
Guys, car.